Are you looking to sell your house? Then you are at the right place. Here at Veritas Buyers, we buy houses in Cullman, Alabama. We are here to help homeowners sell their property at a fair price and for cash. With us, you are able to sell your house in as little as 7 days and without any extra fees, closing costs, or commissions. Both the seller and buyer must benefit in a real estate deal. Our home selling process is as follows. After you've chosen a suitable time, we will come and check out your house to assess it based on the condition, comparable market price, and location. Now, after our assessment, we crunch some numbers and find a beneficial price that suits both of us. Now, we call, email, or mail you our offer. If you like our offer, then you can decide on a suitable closing date. Once we've okayed the paperwork, you hand the keys and we hand you the cash. Now, there could be numerous reasons why someone needs to sell their house fast. Whether you've lost your job, recently divorced, moved, fell behind on your bills, or you inherited a property you want to get rid of. Veritas Buyers is here to help you. We buy houses in any condition, so there is no need for you to conduct costly repairs.